Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I blinged out my nail brush. I made it from this plain wood to this. Super cute, super simple, super fast. So yeah, let's get started. So obviously always, file down. I already did that. So I have the glue on. I'm going to do the exact same thing I did on my pickup tool with the freestyle, sizes from 20 to 10 SS. So yeah, I have the glue on and I'm gonna get started now. So keep watching. So I began with the first line. I had those bows there because I was originally gonna put them on the brush, but then I changed my mind and I was like, I'm just gonna keep it simple and freestyle it. So that's why those are there. So yeah. So I'm bringing out my new brush that I just got. I do my nails, my own nails. I've been doing my nails for like 10 years now, since I was in high school. Senior year, I was like, what am I gonna do with my life? So I was like, done nails, I love doing nails. I love nail polish. I have since I can remember. So it's like, I'm gonna go to school for nails. Thing was, there was no school just for nails in my area at least. And so I was like, okay, I'm just gonna have to do cosmetology. So I went to school for cosmetology and it was a waste of time. I mean, literally a waste of time. I learned nothing that I already didn't know when it came to nails. You know, um, it really sucked. I feel like I wasted a lot of time, doing something that I didn't even want to do. I mean, I like hair, don't get me wrong, makeup, everything, but I wanted to do nails, and they invested no time whatsoever on nails. It was like maybe like a day or two, and that was it. And the teachers knew that I like to do nails, but they weren't that good at nails either. Only one teacher was, and I mean, she was always busy, so she never had time to show me, you know. So everything I learned on my own, you know, in the past 10 years. And so, yeah, I mean, it sucks. I want to go to school one day and just, get my license for doing nails, for, manicurist, I think it's called. Um, and, that's one of my goals in life. It was just a waste of time. And then that school completely was a waste of time because when I was gonna graduate, they decided to start a nail class, and I was like, wow, But I was pregnant when I graduated, so I was like, I can't just go to school. So I was like, I'll come back, when my son gets bigger. So like 2 years later, I'm like, okay, I'm ready now, and I go to the school, and it was not there. It was gone. It was like some other store now, and I'm like, what happened? So I googled it, and comes out that the school was getting sued because they were stealing money and embezzling money, whatever you call it. And so yeah, I was like, wow, what a waste of time. What am I gonna do now? And I kind of knew. I mean, it was only a matter of time that was gonna happen because even when I went to school, I don't know if you guys been to cosmetology school or like any type of school. They, make you sign a bunch of papers, and then they were like, oh, you're gonna get this packet of stuff, including doll heads and, flat irons and brushes and all these kits. And I mean, I don't even think we got like half of the stuff. And so I was like, okay, whatever. We would complain about it, but they'd be like, oh, it's just, their new rules. Every year is different, whatever. And I'm like, uh-huh. But yeah, I was young. I didn't know any better. So Yes, we got played by that school. And so yeah, that was a waste of time. So I just kept doing nails after that. I did graduate. I got all my hours for cosmetology, and I went to go do the state board, but I didn't pass the written by 7 points. 7 points. I was like so disappointed in myself that I literally gave up. I know I shouldn't have, and I know I should have went back and did it again, but I was just like, I was just done. I was like, I didn't learn anything that I wanted. It was a waste of my time. I just wanted to be done with that, you know? So I kind of gave up on that. And I'm like, I've always been like, okay, you know, I want to do nails. And I've been, you know, keeping an eye out for schools, you know? If I ever get lucky and I have time, I want to go back to school and just do nails. So yeah, and I just keep doing my nails, you know, keep practicing. So when I go to nail school, I'll be like, I know how to do this, you know, I'm just here to get my hours, here to get that test done, and you know, get my license. So that'd be awesome one day if that comes true, you know. So yeah, I mean, look, I'm halfway done with this. Super fast, super easy. I was so terrified of doing freestyles like this. I just started doing them. I don't know, I always thought they weren't all that, you know, I thought they were ugly, but I don't know, I'm just like so into it right now, and I'm loving the look. So I did it on my pickup tool. I'm doing it on my brush now, and I'm really liking it. You know, I use my rhinestones. I know it happens to you guys. If you guys, you know, bedazzle when you bling, they fall. They're gonna fall on the table, they're gonna fall on the floor. And those, you pick them up and you put them in a little tray because you don't feel like looking to see where they go and reorganizing. Well, I mean, at least that's me. I don't know, maybe I'm just lazy, but I put them in a little tray and they pile up, and I'm like, okay, what am I gonna do with these? This is what I do with them, you know, freestyle objects. So, um, but yeah, I mean, sorry guys, I can talk a lot. If you guys like me talking, or if you want me to be quiet, if you guys like story time, you know, let me know. Or I can just, you know, focus on making the videos and explain to you guys how I bedazzle. I mean, it's pretty basic, you know. Once you have the glue, you have your pattern you're gonna do, you're set, you know. Just work with it, you know. Practice makes perfect. Yeah, I mean, oh, and I wanted to make a video about how I bedazzle my nails, because yes, I do my nails and I bedazzle my nails all the time. But there's times where, you know, you just want to get pampered and you want to go somewhere to get your nails done, you know? But one thing is, I will not let them bedazzle my nails. Nope. You can do my nails. You know, I can go do my nails at the salon, but I will not let them bedazzle. I have my stash at home and they charge way too much. I'm not wasting money when I can do it myself at home when it comes to bedazzling, you know? I like to get pampered too, and I want to get my nails done by somebody else. I'm tired. I take care of my kids. I take care of my home. I work. I cook. I clean. And, you know, sometimes I'm too tired to do my nails. So I'll go get them done. Rarely. Trust me, like maybe once or twice a year. You know, but still, I bedazzle my nails. And, you know, I just love to bedazzle, guys. I'm sorry. I love to bedazzle anything. I'm gonna be, you know, I have so many video ideas coming up. I mean, you know, Starbucks cups and, you know, just the most random things you guys can think of, you know. I want to make this fun. I want to make it entertaining, you know. include story times, you know, talk about my life stories. I don't want you guys just to be staring at me putting rhinestones on an object, you know. I want to entertain you guys, you know, distract you from all that stuff that's going on out there, you know. We live in a crazy world. So sometimes we just need to relax and just distract ourselves from, you know, everything. But yeah, so I'm just about done. As you can see, I only have a few more left to put on. So yeah, once again, thank you guys for tuning in, sticking around through the whole video. I hope you enjoyed my story time and seeing how I bedazzled my nail brush. It came out really cute. I suggest you guys try out the freestyle if you haven't yet. Trust me, I was scared, but I'm really loving the look right now. And I loved how the brush came out and my pickup tool too. So try it out, you know. Don't be scared. Always don't be scared to try something new when it comes to, you know, blinging and bedazzling. Because you'll be surprised, you know. It can come out really cute. So this is the end results. I love it. Can't wait to do my nails. And thanks for watching.